The latest World Economic Forum report tells us about the hottest jobs in the next 5 years across the world.
We are yearning for ways to make money even while sleeping. Well, now there is a simple yet low labor-intensive way to do just that. So stay tuned to completely change your life. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate passive income, and here's why you should consider it. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and they reward you with a commission for promoting their products or services. One great example is Jasper AI, a platform that provides an outstanding opportunity. They offer an impressive 30% recurring commission for life. This means that for every sale made through your referral, you earn a substantial chunk of the revenue, and this income keeps flowing in as long as the customer continues to use the product. Getting started with affiliate marketing is surprisingly straightforward. All you need to do is apply to become an affiliate partner with the company of your choice. In this case, let's focus on Jasper AI. The process usually involves filling out a simple onboarding form and completing the sign-up procedure. This will grant you access to your unique affiliate link and promotional materials. Now let's move to the secret sauce that can supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts: ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you create compelling content effortlessly. Here's how. Start by instructing ChatGPT to be a YouTuber. By framing your request in this way, you're setting the stage for ChatGPT to generate engaging video titles specifically tailored to your affiliate product or service. Let's say you're promoting Jasper AI. Ask ChatGPT to write me 10 viral titles about Jasper AI. Now, why is this so effective? ChatGPT uses its immense language capabilities and vast knowledge base to craft catchy and attention-grabbing titles. These titles are designed to capture your target audience's interest, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. By leveraging ChatGPT's content creation abilities, you not only save time but also tap into the power of AI to craft content that resonates with your audience. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value and engaging content to your audience, and ChatGPT is your trusty ally in this endeavor. Now let's dive into the world of short-form video content, which is an absolute goldmine for engaging your audience. Short videos are the trendsetter of today's digital landscape, and you can harness their potential for maximum impact. To do this, instruct ChatGPT to be a TikToker. This magical command transforms ChatGPT into a creative genius for the TikTok platform. Next, ask it to craft a 45-second script for TikTok related to each of the titles you've generated. Here's why this is such a game changer. Short videos are all the rage right now. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels thrive on bite-sized content that grabs viewers' attention quickly. Now let's bring those ChatGPT-generated scripts to life with the help of Pick3.ai, an amazing platform that simplifies video creation. And the best part, it's absolutely free. Here's how it works. Click on the script-to-video generator within Pick3.ai. Paste the video title and script that ChatGPT provided. For the optimal short video experience, select the 9:16 format, which is perfect for short vertical videos. With a few simple clicks, Pick3.ai will work its magic and transform your script into a visually appealing video. You can even add your personal touch by customizing it to suit your brand or style. And just like that, you've got a professional-looking video ready to be shared with your audience. This combination of ChatGPT and Pick3.ai allows you to effortlessly create engaging short-form video content that's tailored to your affiliate marketing niche. It's a winning formula that not only saves you time, but also ensures your content is on trend and appealing to your audience. Now that you've got your short, captivating videos in hand, it's time to make them go viral and start raking in that passive income. Here's how you can do it. Upload your videos to multiple platforms, including TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. These platforms thrive on short, attention-grabbing content, and your videos are perfectly tailored for them. In the video descriptions and your platform bios, make sure to add your unique affiliate link. This is the link you received when you signed up as a partner for the affiliate program. Adding this link is crucial because it's how you'll earn commissions when viewers take action. As people watch your videos and are intrigued by what you're promoting, they may click on your affiliate link. When they sign up or make a purchase through that link, you'll earn a recurring commission. That means you'll continue to earn money as long as the customers you referred remain active users of the product or service. This method has the potential to generate much more than $1,000 a day if you consistently create engaging content and build an audience on these platforms. Now let's dive deeper into the world of passive income by automating video courses. This method takes advantage of ChatGPT and AI technology to streamline the creation of educational content. Here's how to do it. To get started, we need to identify trending courses in different industries. For this, we turn to Udemy, a popular online learning platform. Head over to udemy.com and scroll down to explore the top categories. For example, let's say we're interested in marketing courses. Look for courses with a significant number of reviews. This indicates high demand and interest. You're well on your way to creating a valuable video course that can attract learners from all around the world. Now let's head over to Synthesia.io, where we'll use artificial intelligence to turn those scripts into video lessons with realistic voiceovers. Select a template, paste your script, make some customizations, and click Generate. In about 10 minutes, you'll have a complete video lesson with a voiceover. For example, you can create an introduction video that explains the importance of Twitter for business. This process can be applied to each lesson in your course. To make $1,000 a day with this method, upload your course to multiple platforms. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are great choices. Now let's say you want to offer YouTube SEO services. By instructing ChatGPT to pretend to be a YouTube guru, you're essentially unlocking a powerful resource. ChatGPT can generate not only viral YouTube titles, but also craft SEO-rich descriptions and provide optimized tags. This is a game changer, as it enables you to offer services as a YouTube consultant or content creator without being an expert in the field. Consider this: a thriving market exists on freelance platforms for YouTube SEO specialists. Individuals and businesses are actively seeking professionals who can enhance the visibility and reach of their videos. You can offer services that include keyword research, optimizing titles and descriptions, and even crafting compelling tags. Now imagine the impact of this service. Some charge per video, while others offer packages that may include multiple videos along with additional services like competitor analysis and channel optimization. In fact, a quick glance at freelance platforms reveals a high demand for YouTube SEO specialists. These specialists offer a range of services, from optimizing video titles and descriptions to conducting keyword research for maximum visibility. By utilizing ChatGPT to generate content ideas, titles, descriptions, and tags, you're tapping into a vast market that values expertise in YouTube SEO. This is an exciting opportunity to leverage technology to create a valuable service, all while potentially earning a substantial income. These strategies can help you create passive income using ChatGPT and AI. Stay tuned for more ways to leverage AI for income, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future updates.